Hello, this is Mako Ikeda. Yes. This time, I'll be introducing the items I bought from MUJI. I'll show you new storage, cleaning, and convenience items. I bought a variety of things, mainly focusing on those, so please use this as a reference before you go shopping. MUJI week may happen again this year, so I suggest shopping during that sale for the best deals. By the way, is there anything you're planning to buy once MUJI week starts? Now, let me introduce them one by one. First, this is the polypropylene accordion file. This is sold for 490 yen. In addition to this A4 size, an A5 size was also available. Yes, as you can see, it's a simple file, and when you open it, yes, as you can see, it's accordion style like this. And you can adjust the width, so if you spread it out like this, it can stand on its own. So you can adjust the width according to how much you want to store and stand it up like this for storage. I bought the one with 6 pockets, but there were also ones with 3 pockets and 12 pockets. So you can choose the number of dividers according to your needs. And there's also a folded part here so that your hand doesn't hurt when you lift it. If you hold it here with a slight bend, your fingers won't hurt at all. And you can also use this by putting it inside a file box. So usually, you can store this inside the file box. And if you need to organize documents, when the time comes, you can just take out this part and move it to the living room, or use it to divide the inside of the file box like this. You can compact it as needed, so it saves space, which is great. For people who use many documents, the amount may change. So being able to expand or contract it prevents unnecessary bulk, making it very convenient. Yes, various shapes were also for sale. This is the polypropylene stand accordion file. This one is being sold for 390 yen. This serves the same purpose as the last one, but has a different shape. Yes, here is the main unit. And this comes in A4 size as well as A5 size. And there were versions with 3 pockets and 6 pockets inside. This one has 3 pockets. So with these 3 types, you can store things a bit more loosely. And just like before, you open it like this, and it stands up on its own like this. So you can usually store it compactly like this, and only spread it out around your desk when you need to use it. You can also use this by placing it in a file box. I've seen these kinds of square accordion style ones before, but it's my first time seeing an accordion style one shaped like this file box. So I thought it looked really convenient. Since you can separate documents by type, it makes it easier to take them out, doesn't it? If you often can't quickly find documents, try organizing them with dividers. Alright, next up is this. It's a tear-resistant kitchen sheet. This comes with 50 sheets and is sold for 399 yen. Here's what it looks like inside. This is a highly absorbent, tear-resistant sheet. Yes, as you can see, it's a slightly yellowish sheet. It feels soft to the touch, but it's also firm. You can use it to absorb moisture from vegetables, meat, or fish, and also to drain oil from fried foods. Besides that, it can be used for wiping dishes, cleaning surfaces, or even as a hand towel. Don't you find that when you use regular kitchen paper to drain vegetables, it gets crumpled easily, or you end up needing several sheets? With this, it's much sturdier than kitchen paper. Because of the material, you don't have to worry about it getting crumpled or tearing easily, and I think it will absorb moisture even better. You can also use it for cleaning. After draining vegetables, just wring out the extra water a bit. I thought you could just use it for cleaning as it is. Also, when cleaning, regular kitchen paper tends to tear easily if it gets a little wet, but this one is hard to tear, so it seems easy to use for that kind of cleaning. So I think it would be useful for cleaning too. I think you could use it to wipe water off the sink or wash basin, and although it doesn't say you can wash and reuse it, from the way it feels, it seems sturdy enough to use 2 or 3 times. Until now, I often cleaned with a spray bottle and kitchen paper. But if I switch to this, I think it could help prevent using so many sheets of kitchen paper. It seems like you could use it for both dry and wet wiping. Yes, next, this is a low-rebound seat cushion. This is selling for 1,490 yen. This comes in 4 different colors, and this time I chose a simple beige. The pink one was also really cute, and when you touch this, it feels like a memory foam cushion. So it fits your body really well when you sit on it. If you sit on a hard chair for a long time, it can be I think your butt can start to hurt easily. But using something like this can help reduce that pain. Beige blends in easily with any room, right? This one is beige on both sides, so you don't have to worry about which side is up when you use it. The diameter is about 34 centimeters. You can't wash this, but the care instructions are written on this tag. You can use a towel and a mild detergent. You can clean it with a regular damp towel, just as you would normally. It feels really smooth and pleasant to the touch. Let me try sitting on it for a bit. Oh, it's completely different. I usually sit directly on the floor, so my butt often gets sore. But just by putting this down, it feels so much better. It fits my butt really well. Yes, it has just the right thickness and feels really comfortable to sit on like this. Even if I move around a little like this, I don't feel any pain at all. And with this, it seems like I won't get tired even if I sit for a long time. The size isn't too big, so I think it's easy to use. Please be sure to check this one out as well. Okay, next is this one. This is a high-moisturizing lotion for sensitive skin. It comes in a 300 ml bottle and is sold for 990 yen. This is a low-irritation skincare series made with 100% natural ingredients. It's fragrance-free, colorant-free, and alcohol-free, making it easy to use even for people with sensitive skin. In the past, I heard that MUJI's toner was really good, so I tried using it, but at that time, I felt it was a bit too refreshing or light for me. It didn't suit my skin, so I stopped using it for a while after that. And recently, they came out with this high moisture type for sensitive skin. I used it again after years, and this one was much easier. Let me show you on my hand. Yes, this toner really doesn't feel sticky at all, and you can use it smoothly, but it still feels very moisturizing. Rather than being a super watery type, it feels like a toner with a slight thickness and a light texture. So, with really watery toners, I feel like it takes a while for my skin to absorb them. But this one seems to blend in really easily. I applied it to my hand, and it already feels very moisturized. When I press my hand like this and then lift it, it feels a bit like it's sticking to my skin. Can you tell? It really feels like it locks in the moisture, and it feels amazing to use. Depending on the product, some toners can make your skin feel tight, sting a little, or even cause redness. But with this high moisture type from MUJI, I don't experience any of that at all. And since it's fragrance-free, I thought that was really nice too. I have extremely dry skin, but with how this feels, even as it gets drier from now on, I think I'll be able to handle the dry season too. It's amazing. It comes with a lot for an affordable price, so you can use it generously without worrying. That's another thing I recommend about it. This one opens with a snap, and it's sold at MUJI. Switching to a pump head lets you press and dispense easily, so it's nice to adjust based on your preference. Okay, next is a repeat purchase item. I bought this half handkerchief. This comes in a set of 2 and is sold for 390 yen. There are 6 colors available, and this time I bought the light beige one. The size is a half size, measuring 23 by 11 centimeters. The fabric of this handkerchief is really sturdy, and even though it's a half size, it's more than enough for drying your hands after using the restroom. So it doesn't take up much space in your bag, and you can carry it around compactly. I think it's great to use as a handkerchief for children. And it's also a size that's easy to fit into a pocket. When you use a mini bag, a regular handkerchief can be pretty bulky. But this one is really compact, so it's convenient when you want to carry the bare minimum. If you're looking for a compact handkerchief, please be sure to check this out. Okay, lastly, I'll introduce some snacks. First, this is a scallop string snack. This is sold for 190 yen. It's made by seasoning domestic scallop strings with salt and grilling them. It's a non-fried snack. When I tried it before, it was really delicious. When I wanted to buy it again, it was so popular that I couldn't get it at all. But this time they had a lot in stock, so I was able to buy 3 like this. This is a must-have for crunchy snack lovers. Okay, here's what's inside. It really smells like dried fish. Let's eat. Yeah, it's delicious. The saltiness is perfect, and the scallop aroma gets stronger as you chew. Yeah, this is really addictive. It has a pretty firm and chewy texture, so if you like tougher snacks, you'll definitely love this. If you drink alcohol, this would make a great snack with beer, especially with potato chips and similar snacks. I love hard-fried potato chips, but these are even crunchier. If you enjoy hard-fried chips, you'll definitely love these. Hehe! This also has an amazing texture, so if you really care about texture, I think you'll definitely get hooked on these. Surprisingly, there aren't that many hard snacks like this, right? I also really love those pasta snacks, those hard ones. Let me know if you have other tough snack recommendations. Okay, next up is this. It's grilled cod sheet. This one is sold for 120 yen. And since these 120 yen items were 3 for 300 yen this time, I bought another one, and also some black tea cookies together. This one is packed, so it seems really satisfying. During MUJI week, I'll get more of these scallop replacement strings. Here's what's inside. There are a lot of bite-sized pieces of cod inside. Let's eat. It's delicious. Since I ate it after the dried shellfish earlier, it tastes really gentle. This has a texture that's really addictive in its own way. This is made by seasoning minced Alaska pollock with soy sauce and grilling it. Let me eat a bunch at once. Yeah, when you eat it all at once, the flavor really comes through. And even though there's so much in here, it's only 70 calories per bag. So it's great as a snack too. It's yokon. And while I was eating this, it really reminded me of Teratera Shitanjanio. Then I looked at the back, and it said yokon. So it's like a non-spicy version of yokon. Maybe that's just me. I haven't had it lately. My memory's fuzzy, but now that you mention it, this is definitely yokon. The previous one was 54 kcal, this is 70 kcal, both perfect as snacks or treats. This one feels soft at first, but as you chew, it offers more to bite into. So I feel like it also stimulates your sense of fullness, and it even works out your jaw a bit. If you like snacks that you can really chew, I think this is the perfect treat for you. Today I showed some items I bought from MUJI. If anything interests you, please try it. I'm not sure when I'll release this video, but if you buy these items during MUJI Ryohan Week, you can get a better price, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Well, this was Ikeda Mako. Bye-bye.